Hi guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. If you are an NRI aspirant of Christ University, then this video is for you. Whether you are applying from Nepal or UAE or from Afghanistan or from Sri Lanka or from Maldives, all these places or wherever you're applying from, maybe even from US and UK or Canada, then this video is super important for you because Christ University has released tons of details for the NRI category and the NRI process. So please make sure that you watch this video till the very end. Before I get started, I have a simple request to make. In case if you're new to my channel, please press that subscribe button right now itself and the bell icon so that you all get all the important updates on my channel, whether it's regarding your preparation strategies, interview preparation, micro presentations, skill assessment and whatnot. At the same time guys, please do not forget to check the link in the description below for my personal sessions. Trust me, so many of your seniors, super seniors who made it to Christ University have taken help of my sessions, whether it's an interview preparation 101 where we take mocks or decoding micro presentation or slay skill assessment where I enhance your writing abilities. All these sessions will be of super help to you. So please check it out and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm readily available there. Now I'll take you to my computer screen and give you all the important updates and clear all your queries. So let's get started. Before I start with anything, I think one of the most important things that all the NRI students need to be aware of is that your last date to apply for the first round at Christ University is the 15th of January 2024. After that, you will not be eligible to apply for the first round of Christ University. And as you all know how high the competition is, I would highly suggest you all to apply for the round 1 itself. So please try filling in the form as soon as possible. You still have some time and dates left. So please make sure that you fill in the form in the NRI category before the 15th of January 2024. Now, as you know, the dates have already been announced for the NRI process, and this starts on 21st of January 2024 for all the courses that have an entrance test. In my previous video that I just released, I told you guys that not all the programs have an entrance test. So if your course falls under that category where you have an entrance test, it is going to be conducted on the 21st of January 2024 and it is going to be on an online platform. Followed by that, from the 26th till the 28th, which is 26th of January 2024, 27th of January 2024 and 28th of January 2024, you will have the remaining selection process, which is skill assessment, micro presentation and the personal interview with the faculty members of Christ University. Now there are certain centers that have been announced by Christ University where this interview process or the skill assessment and the micro presentation is going to be taken care of. And this has also been provided. I will be putting out the link in the description below of this. Guys, please take a screenshot of this, which is very important. These are the particular venues that Christ University has booked to conduct the process for the interviews, micro presentations and skill assessment. So if you are in Bahrain, then you have to go to New Horizon School W.L.L, which is opposite Al Jazeera supermarket. This is where your interview, micro presentation and personal interview is going to be conducted. Likewise, for Dubai students, it is going to happen in Springdale School LLC. While for Kuwait students, it is going to happen in Kamal School, Kuwait. And for people who are in Doha in Qatar, it is going to happen in Rajagiri Public School. Guys, these are the venues with the landmarks, so please reach here 30 to 40 minutes prior to your whole process because there is going to be a skill assessment, interview and micro presentation that is going to be taken care of in these particular venues. Now for all the people who do not come from Bahrain, Dubai, Kuwait or Doha but are around these areas, then you also have to go to these venues to proceed further. But for people who are in Nepal or Sri Lanka or Maldives, Christ University will share the details with you on the admit card of how it is going to happen. If you ask me, I think this process is going to happen for you online itself or through a telephonic way like they used to do it before for all the NRI students. But we still have to wait on the official confirmation and all these details will be shared to you on the student dashboard where you filled in the form for Christ University. So yes guys, that's about it for this particular video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. Like I said, please check the link in the description below for my personal sessions. Trust me, they'll be very beneficial for you, whether it's an interview preparation, micro presentation or skill assessment. I'll see you all in those sessions. Take care guys. Bye-bye.